Welcome to our video on the present continuous tense in everyday life. Let's dive in and see how this tense is used in common situations. Take a moment to observe the pictures. What are the people doing? The present continuous tense helps us describe actions happening right now. This is an example of the present continuous tense because the action is happening at this moment. The present continuous tense can also show a contrast between habitual actions and current activities. Let's look at some examples. Fearless Ravi usually drives a fire engine, fights fires, and helps people in danger. But now, Ravi is sitting by a swimming pool, relaxing. The present continuous tense, is sitting, describes his current activity. Priya is an actress who usually acts in films and travels around the world. But now, Priya is playing tennis. The present continuous tense helps us describe what she is doing at this moment. Raj typically studies in the evenings. However, right now, he is working on his laptop. The phrase is working illustrates an action happening currently. So, what is the present continuous tense? It's a tense used to describe actions happening right now or in progress. The structure is straightforward. Use the verb to be followed by the base verb with an ing ending. For example, she is reading a book. The present continuous tense is used for actions happening at the moment of speaking, temporary actions, future plans, and even to show changes or trends. Let's see how you can practice this. The present continuous tense effectively describes ongoing actions and emotions in real-life situations. Role-playing brings grammar concepts to life by connecting them to everyday challenges like being late for work.
Hey, Priya, I'm stuck in traffic. The construction near the main road is causing a massive jam. I'm driving as fast as I can, but it's not moving.
Oh no, come on. Did you inform Mr. Verma? You know how he gets when someone's late.
I'm trying to call him, but he's not answering. I'm getting so anxious. The cars aren't even moving now.
Take a deep breath. Let me explain the situation to him. Are you waiting at the signal near the mall?
Yes, and it feels like forever. I'll text Mr. Verma too. Thanks, Priya.
Be creative and have fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.